Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your computer. Click on Install WhatsApp on your Windows computer, and over here you will be redirected to the store. If you don't find it here, I will show you another way. What you can do is you can open your Microsoft Windows and then just search for WhatsApp and go to whatsapp.com. Over here, you can click on download and it will download a exe file. You have to double click on it and it will bring up the installer. As you can see, it says starting download. Give it some time and it will download and install. I'll pause the video till then. Once it is downloaded, it will show you this. Click on get started. And now what you have to do is now you have to open your WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the three dots and click on link devices. And here you will see link a device. Click on link a device and then use your passkey or PIN and scan this code. What that will do is it will log you in to your WhatsApp account. Now it is downloading recent messages and it is logged in. So in short, this is how you install WhatsApp and log in to your WhatsApp account. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.